Hi, I am Ashraf Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Tashola High School. Dear student, welcome to our online class 2020. How are you? I hope you are well. By the blessing of Allah, I am also fine. Our today's lesson, transformation for class 6 to 10. Because in this day, I discuss about affirmative to negative. How can we change affirmative into negative? Dear students, you can follow the class attentively and seriously. Mostly class 6, 7 and 8. Those who are very weak in English grammar, now at first we also know about what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentence. The sentence or a sentence gives us a positive sense or meaning is called affirmative sentence. On the other hand, the sentence or a sentence gives us a negative sense or meaning is called negative sentence. Now come to the point, we go to our main jobs. Dear students, affirmative sentence, he is a good boy. You know, he is a subject, is a auxiliary verb and good adjective or subject of compliments. How can we change into negative? If you follow the sentence, if there is auxiliary verb in a affirmative sentence, any auxiliary verb, mostly am, is, are, was, were, is in a affirmative sentence, then you can change into negative sentence. The subject and verb never change. Here is subject he and auxiliary verb is. Can see that it is no sense. And when we change it to negative, the negative sense express the negative sense, you use not, sometimes no. Here is not. Then you change the adjective into negative adjective. A good, Dokito, good boy. He is a good boy. Good boy is adjective or subject of complimentary. Good change into bad. Here is an article, never change before consonant. Bad boy. Good change into bad. What is the opposite words? The adjective good, bad. Clear? On the other hand, we next another sentence. Only Allah can help us. It is, what is sentence? This is an affirmative sentence. Only Allah can help us. Dear students, you follow attentively and seriously. Only when indicates any personal words or any person, then you change into none but. Can also you repeat this question, only change into none but, because only indicates here is Allah. Allah is person. So you should mind that only when only indicates any person, only change into none but. When change into only change into none but, only change into none but. After the parts of the only never change. After the part of the only never be changed. Here is subject Allah can help us. Understand? I repeat this question. When only indicates any person, only change into none but. After the only, the parts of the sentence never change. Understand? Next, he likes only sweet. He likes only sweets. Only. Which words indicates the sweet? Sweet, what is noun? Sweet, what is noun? This is a material noun. So we can say that when only indicates the material noun or material words, then only change into none but. When we change affirmative if into negative, only change into nothing but, because the sweets is a material words. So the subject and verb never change. He likes only change into nothing but. Nothing but. Then you use after the words of only or after the parts of the sentence of only. Sweets. Clear? Why we use nothing but? We use nothing but because after the words of only sweets, sweets is a material words. So only change into nothing but. Then another sentence with only. He has only 5,000 taka. Dear students, here is only. What's the parts of sentence? Only 5,000 taka, which indicates that 5 is a countable word. Is a countable word. So we can say that if the only indicates any countable words, only change into when we change into negative, only change into not more than. Only change into not more than. Clear? After the only in affirmative sentence, there is countable words. A, N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any countable words. Then you use only change into not more than. Clear? Not more than, and before the parts of the only the sentence never send he has. only he has not more than, only change into not more than 5,000 taka. Clear? So we can easily say that, we can easily understand that the only indicates the personal words or personal any person, thus only change into none but beginning of the sentence, and only when indicates the any material words, then only change into nothing but, and when only indicates any countable words, then only change into not more than another parts is never changed in the negative sentence. Okay, now come to the point. We know another sentence how we change into affirmative to negative. Okay, dear students, I write another sentence of affirmative. We must take regular exercise. How can we change into negative? At first we follow must. When you see or when you can found must in affirmative sentence, after subject, sometimes verb, you can see must in an affirmative sentence. How can you change it in negative sentence? Then must change into cannot but. Must change into cannot but. Cannot but another parts of the sentence never change. Another parts of the sentence before the must and after the must, the parts of the sentence is not never change. We cannot but take regular exercise. We can also another structure must change into negative, cannot but help. Cannot but help. Suppose subject must change into cannot but help plus principal verb and another parts of the sentence. Clear? But it is not especially, but we generally use it for our own facilities. So we must take regular exercise. When we change into must into negative, must change into in a negative cannot but another parts of the sentence never change. Clear? My dear students, today we discuss affirmative to negative for class 6 or 10. I hope that you must be benefited if you follow the class attentively and exercise in your house. So I hope that you may be safe and sound from COVID-19, and when you may go out from the house, you must wear mask and may be happy. May Allah bless you. Thank you very much.